content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new and coming inventory. All makes, all models, foreign and domestic, 50 to 70 vehicles arriving every week. We are the premier salvage and repairable vehicle dealership of the Northeast, perhaps in the United States. We provide these walk-around videos of these vehicles that we sell that are repairable for transparency and to help our customers in showing them the condition of the vehicles that we purchase, describing the damaged areas and the repair processes involved. Right now you're looking at a 2020 Audi A5 convertible with rear end collision damage. We're at the engine compartment right now. We'll go over the damages momentarily. As you can see, engine compartment is square, no damage. The unit does run and lot drive. Really nice vehicle. So a quick walk around. Pretty nice. So far so good. We get to no movement on the top here. Everything lines up. No breakage on the windshield. Really nice. Now we're getting to the damaged area. Trunk looks okay. You need a rear bumper cover. And here's the damage. Got a little damage to the muffler there. Rear body panel here needs to be straightened, and you need a quarter section here. The gaps here, but no movement on the top. Still lined up pretty good, so I'm going to say the inner quarter is probably sitting in place. So you probably need a quarter skin on this. This vehicle is being sold with a clean title, which means you can register and insure it immediately without going through the salvage inspection. Which is a plus if you need a vehicle right away. Really nice car. Take a look inside. $20,000 miles, no airbags deployed. Battery is good. Beautiful, beautiful car. Just in time for summer. Give us a call if you're interested. Not going to last. Thanks for watching.